Hello Keystone investors. Welcome to the world of digital treasure hunting. Picture this. You're in a vast virtual mine. Your tool isn't a pickaxe but a computer. Your aim? Unearthing precious digital coins instead of gold and diamonds. Sounds like an intriguing adventure, doesn't it? But crypto mining isn't just about minting new coins. It's an essential cog in the cryptocurrency machine, ensuring that the whole system keeps running smoothly. In fact, miners are akin to the hardworking accountants of the crypto world, meticulously recording and verifying transactions. Without these digital pioneers, new coins couldn't enter circulation, and there would be no one to validate the billions of transactions that take place. So mining plays a critical role in keeping the cryptocurrency world secure, reliable, and consistently growing. But why should you care about crypto mining if you're not a miner? Well, understanding this process gives you critical insights into how cryptocurrencies work and why they hold value. Even more importantly, it could help you make more informed decisions about investing in or using cryptocurrencies. So whether you're a crypto enthusiast, a potential investor, or simply just curious, stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll not only grasp the intricacies of crypto mining, but also appreciate its impact on the digital finance landscape. And who knows, it might even inspire your next big move in the crypto world. Let's start digging. So every new cryptocurrency has a beginning, a birth so to speak. But unlike in the human world, there's no baby showers or balloons. Instead, there's something called proof of work, or POW. Imagine you're playing a game where you have to solve a challenging puzzle. You spend hours working on it and finally, you solve it. You've just demonstrated proof of your work. You've shown that you've done the hard work needed to solve the puzzle. That's essentially what proof of work is in the cryptocurrency world. Now in the context of crypto mining, proof of work is a bit like the entry ticket to a club of new coin creators. Miners have to solve complex mathematical puzzles using their computers. The first one to solve the puzzle gets to add a new block of transactions to the blockchain. And as a thank you for their hard work, they're rewarded with some new coins. This is how new units of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin come into existence. It's a bit of a race and it's not easy. The puzzles are designed to be difficult to solve but easy to check, kind of like a Sudoku puzzle. This means it takes a lot of computing power and electricity to be the first one to find the solution. And that's why it's called proof of work, because you need to prove that you've done the work before you're rewarded with new coins. Now the brilliance of proof of work is that it makes it really hard for any one person or a group of people to take control of the cryptocurrency network. It keeps the playing field level and the system secure. So the next time you see a Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, remember the hard work, the computational power, and the electricity that's gone into creating it. And that's just the beginning of the story. As we continue, we'll dive into what happens inside a crypto mine and explore other ways that new cryptocurrencies are created. Now, while the concept of crypto mining might seem set in stone, or should we say set in code, it's actually evolving. The mining method we've just discussed so far, proof of work, is just one way new digital coins are born. There's another method, one that's gaining a lot of attention lately, called proof of stake, or POS. Remember how with proof of work, miners compete to solve a complex puzzle, and the one who solves it first gets to add a new block of transactions and earn new coins? Well, proof of stake works a bit differently. In this system, the creators of a new block isn't determined by who has the most computational power, but by who owns the most coins. Think of it as a lottery system where your chances of winning increases with the number of tickets you own. The more coins you hold and are willing to stake or temporarily lock up as a bet, the higher chances of you being chosen to create a new block and earn rewards. This method can be more energy efficient than proof of work because it doesn't require miners to use a large amount of computational power to solve puzzles. However, one potential downside is that it could lead to a concentration of power and wealth among a small group of people, those who hold the most coins. Now, proof of stake isn't the only alternative to proof of work. There's also delegated proof of stake. where coin holders vote for a few delegates who are then responsible for validating transactions and creating new blocks. And then there's proof of authority, where a select group of trusted individuals are given the right to create new blocks. Each of these methods has its own pros and cons in terms of efficiency, energy consumption, and security. As the world of cryptocurrencies continue to evolve, we might see new methods being developed or existing ones being improved. Remember, understanding these mechanisms is key to understanding the world of digital currencies. As we proceed, we'll be looking at the risks and rewards associated with crypto mining. So let's continue digging. While the world of crypto mining might seem exciting and full of opportunities, it's important to address the elephant in the room: its environmental impact. Yes, mining digital coins can have a real-world consequence, and that is significant energy consumption. Why does crypto mining consume so much energy, you ask? Remember the complex puzzles we talked about in the proof of work system? Solving these puzzles requires a lot of computational power. Miners often have entire warehouses filled with powerful computers running 24/7, crunching numbers in the race to solve the next puzzle. All of this uses a considerable amount of electricity, but it's not all doom and gloom. The cryptocurrency community is well aware of this issue and is actively looking for more sustainable mining methods. One of these is the shift towards proof of stake, which we discussed earlier. Because this method doesn't rely on solving complex puzzles, it can drastically reduce energy consumption. Another approach is the use of renewable energy sources for mining operations. Some miners are setting up shop in locations where there's abundance of solar and wind energy, reducing their reliance on fossil fuels. Lastly, some innovative projects are exploring the concept of green mining. This involves using the heat generated by mining computers for useful purposes, like heating buildings, thus offsetting some environmental impact. In short, while crypto mining does have a significant energy footprint, it's important to remember that the industry is still in its infancy. Just like other industries that have worked to reduce their environmental impact, the crypto world is actively seeking for ways to become more sustainable. As we continue to evolve, who knows what innovative, eco-friendly mining methods we might see in the future. As we venture into the future of crypto mining, it's clear that this dynamic field is not standing still. It's evolving, growing, and continuously innovating. So what might the future look like? Let's gaze into our digital crystal ball and explore some emerging trends. Firstly, the shift towards more sustainable mining methods is likely to continue. As we discussed earlier, the environmental impact of crypto mining is a serious concern. We can expect to see more efforts towards green mining, whether that's through the adoption of renewable energy, the development of more energy efficient consensus algorithms, or innovative solutions. Another key trend is the increasing decentralization of mining. In the early days of Bitcoin, anyone with a decent computer could mine new coins. As the puzzles became more complex, mining became dominated by large operations with warehouses full of powerful computers. However, with new technologies and cryptocurrencies, we might see a shift back towards a more decentralized mining, making it accessible to more people. We can also expect to see more regulatory clarity around crypto mining. As cryptocurrencies become more mainstream, governments around the world are starting to pay more attention. This could lead to new regulations, which could impact how and where crypto mining operations are set up. Now, these are just a few glimpses into what the future might hold for crypto mining. The only certainty is that it will continue to evolve and surprise us. As we keep our fingers on the pulse of this exciting field, we invite you to join us on this journey of discovery. So we've explored the world of crypto mining, from its basic mechanisms to its future. We've seen how new digital coins are born and the energy impact of this process. It's a complex field for sure, but understanding it is crucial to grasp the inner workings of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. As we conclude this video, remember that crypto landscape is ever evolving. This exploration of crypto mining is just one part of a much larger picture. There's always more to learn and discover. So if you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe to Keystone Investors for more contents on cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.